10 Weight Loss Tips for Women. Losing weight can feel like a daunting task, but small, consistent steps can lead to big changes. Women often face unique challenges when it comes to weight loss, making a tailored approach essential. Here are 10 simple yet effective tips to help you achieve your goals. 1. Eat more protein. Include lean meats, beans, and nuts in your meals. Protein helps you feel full longer and supports muscle growth. 2. Drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day, especially before meals, to curb hunger. 3. Practice mindful eating. Avoid distractions while eating. Focus on your meal and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. 4. Limit processed foods. Choose fresh, whole foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains instead of packaged snacks. 5. Stay active daily. Incorporate both cardio and strength training to burn calories and build lean muscle. 6. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep to regulate hunger hormones and improve energy levels. 7. Try intermittent fasting. This method of eating can help manage calories and improve fat burning. 8. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation to avoid stress-related eating. 9. Track your progress. Use a journal or app to monitor your meals, workouts, and mood for better accountability. 10. Set realistic goals. Start small and focus on gradual changes for long-lasting success. Weight loss is a journey. With these tips, you can achieve a healthier, happier you. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.